Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video showing the unboxing or the unwrapping of my SouthWest Companion Pass I received earlier this year. So this is a pass which many of you may know you can earn by accumulating a crap ton of miles by flying with Southwest, but also miles from sign-up bonuses from Southwest cards contribute towards it. So if you get 110,000 miles accumulated via sign-up bonuses or actually accrued through flying, you will get this Companion Pass, which allows your companion to fly entirely free for the remainder of the current year and the entire next year. So this is what it looks like when you open it, and here's what it looks like in your Rapid Rewards accounts once you've activated and selected a companion. For more information on taking advantage of credit card rewards, check out this other video.